Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. Let's have a look at gold. It's been quite a while I haven't done a gold analysis, and I think you can see why. Gold's just been moving sideways for a number of weeks, just gradually sort of trending up after its explosive push up back in November. Which has made it quite difficult to sort of work out where gold is heading. But I think I see some direction as we've neared some critical levels around the 1850-ish level. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, hold on a minute, given my previous analysis on things like the dollar looking to potentially strengthen and the general outlook on the market and things with inflation and so on, I'm thinking actually gold could possibly actually come down quite significantly. I would expect gold to sort of peak off around the 1850, 1860, 1870-ish zone, somewhere around here. And we could, or very likely, I think it's highly probable that we're going to see gold drop quite dramatically, actually, down to at least around 1680-ish, because 1680 is obviously a long time support that we've had, which was broken in recent months. So beyond that, I can't really tell. For now, I can only see up to 1680 if there was going to be a fall. Which gives us a substantial catch, actually. If we're going from around 1850-ish down to 1680, then what is that? We're looking at $170 catch on gold, which is what, almost a 10% drop on gold. So that's pretty substantial. So if you can play this right, then I think there's a lot to gain here, shorting gold. I'd have another look at gold in a couple of weeks, see where it's going. And as always, guys, this isn't investment advice. I'm not saying that gold will fall. I'm just basing on my experience and my analysis and the way I see the market going. And I think it's highly probable that gold is going to be coming down to 1680. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.